Using 7-zip on Windows 10 is pretty straightforward, and once you know the basics, you can handle zip and 7-zip archives in just a few clicks. In this guide, I'll show you how to open archives, extract files, create compressed folders, change compression settings, and add password protection. Let's get into it. First, open 7-zip from the Windows Start menu. You can search for 7-zip and launch File Manager. It looks similar to a basic file browser, so you can navigate through your folders and find the files or archives you want to work with. Now let's extract a zip file. Find your archive in File Explorer, right-click it, and move to the 7-zip option. Choose Extract here to place the contents in the current folder, or choose Extract Files if you want to select another location. You don't always need to extract everything. Double-click an archive to open it in 7-zip, then browse its contents. If you only need 1 or 2 files, select them and use the Extract option. Yeah, this can save time with larger archives. To create your own archive, select a file or folder in File Explorer, right-click it, choose 7-zip, and select Add to Archive. You can then choose between formats such as 7-zip and zip. Zip is usually the safer choice when you need compatibility with other computers. In the Add to Archive window, you can choose a compression level. Normal is a good balance for everyday use. Higher levels can create smaller archives, but they may take longer to finish. So, if speed matters more than saving every bit of space, keep the normal setting. If you're creating an archive containing private files, 7-zip also supports encryption. Find the encryption section, enter a password, confirm it, and select AES 256 if the option is available. Keep that password somewhere safe because it can't be recovered if you forget it. Click OK to create the archive, then open the finished file to make sure everything is there. For a password-protected archive, test the password before sharing the file. A quick check now can prevent problems later, and that's how to use 7-zip on Windows 10. You can extract files, browse archives, compress folders, control the compression level, and protect sensitive files with encryption. Pretty simple, right? Once you've used it a few times, these tasks become second nature.